Hey guys, it's Larry, and it is Friday. Oh, thank goodness. So, we're going to do another plan with me, and this week I have chosen to use this layout. Super cute. This is an adorable layout called In the Bag, and this was designed by Wendy T of the Darling Happy Planners Facebook group. And I'm sorry about that light. I'm filming at a different time of day. It's pretty early, so I've got the sunlight coming right in this window, which I'm trying to block out for you. Sorry about that glare. So anyhow, this is In the Bag. It is just adorable. And I took the PDF file from Wendy, and this is a free printable she offers to her Facebook group. And I uploaded it into my Cricut. I have a tutorial coming on that very soon, I promise. And I made my stickers. So here are the stickers that I printed out. And I did add my little social media tags to it because I like to have those in my planner. And these are just so cute. She's got a little bit of washi, the sunglasses, the bags, just adorable. Love the weekend tag. And I'm planning for the week of June 25th through July 1st. And these are the washi tapes that I have chosen that I think I'm going to use. I think that those colors go really good with this. So let's see what happens. Let's get started. So sit down, grab a cocktail or some iced tea if it's hot where you're at. Get your planners out and let's play some music and have some fun. So again, this is my layout for June 25th through July 1st. These are the free printable planner stickers that I have chosen by Wendy T of the Darling Happy Planners Facebook group. And if you are a subscriber, thanks so much for being here with me again today on a Friday. I am so appreciative to be here and to have you as part of my group. And if you're not yet a subscriber, what are you waiting for? So hit the subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and you will see more Plan With Me videos every Friday. And let's get started and have some fun, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy the layout and the artwork. And please leave comments and questions. I do have that Q&A coming up real soon, probably within the next 2 to 3 weeks, and lots of tutorials coming. Let's play, let's have some fun. Okay guys, so this is it. My final layout for June 25th through July 1st. I think it came out adorable. I really love the bags, love the sunglasses, and the colors are just so cute. They're kind of a muted, a little bit of a dusty muted color, and I just find it adorable. So here is the final layout. I hope you like it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a fabulous weekend. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and we'll see you in the next video. I will have a link below for the artist, Wendy T. And that's it. I will see you in the next video. Thanks guys for being here with me. Please remember to always be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. See you soon.